G'day everyone, it's time for an experiment. Two experiments in one actually. First one is we're going to be using our TEMU pots with the soft base. See if we can get these out nice and easily. The second thing we're going to try is, I had a visit from someone really special. And I put a little short up about that, but he gave me a prezzy. He gave me several prezzies actually. But one of them was this. It's a potting mix booster. And it's meant to help with probiotics for roots and help with the structure of the potting mix, etc., etc. According to this, we use 1 teaspoon per 3 litres. So I think these are only about 500 ml. So we use about half a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. We're using a very standard Osmocote potting mix, which I use a lot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my coriander that's ready to be planted out, because it's nice and fast growing. And we'll see if this makes a difference. So I filled 5 pots up, which is just down here, and I'll show you in a sec. We're going to put the Seasol potting mix booster into 5 of them, and have 5 of them just with the standard Osmocote potting mix. So let's open it up. Wonder if it comes with a teaspoon. No, it doesn't. Not to worry. So we don't have a teaspoon, but we're just going to do sort of a pinch in these 5. So it's roughly half a teaspoon. I'll mix that through the top here. There we go. And let's start getting our coriander out. Just had it soaking in some water so it's nicely hydrated. And it's in one of the silicone bottomed ones. Look at that. I do like these. And when they're $1 or $2 each tray, it's not bad. So I can see by that, I've got that out really easily without seemingly damaging the roots. Pop them into there. Ooh, needs a bigger hole than that, doesn't it? Probably most damage done is putting it in there. So I'll go through and put all of these in. Put them out. They do make life easier. Even if the tangled coriander. Do you like coriander? Oh, I love coriander. Can't stand cilantro though. That's a little private joke with my sister. Now, because we've got 5 of them, we should be right. A few of them won't make it. A few of them will. We hope. And the last one with. All right, let's label them up as with. I'm not doing these ones exactly the same way. The ones with the boosted stuff is in the water, just making sure that they hydrate properly. I'm really liking these trays. No problem getting anything out. So I shall label them up and put them in the greenhouse. We should be able to tell probably within the next 2 or 3 weeks if this has had an effect. Hopefully it will, because anything to give our coriander a bit more of a chance. I'll see you in a few weeks. Enjoy life in the greenhouse.